Well, hello everyone and welcome back to the channel and welcome back to Washington, D.C. Today I have a real treat for you. I know I say that every time, but what can I say? I do. Today we're gonna go to the Smithsonian National Zoo. It's about 3 miles from here. And to get there, we're gonna rent one of these little death traps right here. I've never taken one before, but everything you need to do, you unlock it right here on your app. You put the helmet on, it won't go without the helmet. I've never taken it before, but yeah, let's hop on this little Deathmobile and head over to the zoo. Okay, so I'm still on the Deathmobile part. So to put this thing on you, okay. So you gotta get ready for surgery here, right? You put this thing on your head, right? And then you put, look absolutely ridiculous. And then you put the helmet on. Hold on, I gotta put the camera down for you guys. Hold on, right there. Okay, there, perfect. Okay, so because you know nobody wants to touch anybody else's head stuff, you put this on your head, and then you put the helmet on like this. This is so weird. Okay, there we go. All right, now, all right, I tap just me on the app, continue. Am I supposed to take a photo of myself? I guess that's to like identify your body. I don't know. Uploading a selfie to turn on your moped. That's very interesting. So you have to take a selfie of yourself to turn the thing on. And okay, it turned on. All right, cool. So, yep, that's where the helmets go. Gotta lock that into place. There we go. I need both hands for this, so hopefully I'll see you at the zoo. I gotta get me one of these. These are fun. These are, okay, I gotta make a turn now. It's been a while since I've been on a two-wheeler. That's the turn signal, by the way. All right. You hear the horn? You know what? That is manly. Oh my God. All right. Okay. Here's my man card. You can have it right back. Shit. Oh. This thing goes fast. Wow, what an adventure! Alright, we're in the tunnel. Oh, gotta beep in the tunnel. Alright. Man, you thought that little electronic scooter was fun, and this moped is the shizzle. I mean, 30 miles an hour doesn't seem like much, but it seems pretty fast when you're on it. I'm on top of the world, Jack. I'm on top of the world. Holy moly. I made it. Oh, whew. Okay. Oh God. I made it. This little Deathmobile is awesome. It is so much fun. Goes about 30 miles an hour, which is fast enough when you have other cars just zooming by you. So you just gotta park where they tell you to park, which can be a little interesting. Yeah, but I found a spot. It's actually behind this like apartment complex area, right next to the zoo. Now I'm gonna put the helmet back in the trunk. I don't know. This could be problematic. It's not letting me put the helmet back.